Luenyi kom biashara pa chuli pewa ye. Luenyi ikom biashara pa chuli. Luenyi ikom business manoto ero konyo lutia na chuli. Luenyi ikom business makonyo pajo pewa ye. Miu. Won lo lodge make it gum. Won lo tela make it gum. Totwale atika lokburi deputy RDC. Deputy RDC tiki ofisi mabe. Lakini lok ming money ni won security peobi yabo dog gate me bomber ground weke tuku dilu pa chuli province ma wonu tia wani peobi yabo dog gate kapeke mi $1 million a dek won security la dir deputy RDC deputy winya mabe. Lakini lok ming money ni kapeke yabo ger kapeke mi $1 million a dek won security peobi yabo dog gate weke lutia na chuli tuku dilu Lutia na wame a chuli province ni peke bi yabe gate wala wu maja utika frustrating lutia na chuli wuno lwenye kombiashara pa chuli pingo deputy RDC mekit gum chak ngweja ki ofisi chak ngweja meche roka ka yenyo joman ma ini piyo gini yenjo me piyo gi ichak lok kwet ke yap dog bomber ground ke yap gate a chuli province tieki tugu wuno lwenye kombiashara pa kaka Wunu ngayo ni lotiano en bulu magitugo dilu ni komerchani gitie bulu mela nyut mabe mada li erode benetie crime prevention wa preventing crime nining kache wa gayo tugo pa lotiano wega lotiano dogo wild wega lotiano chako demonstration wega lotiano chako rioting RDC deputy. In fact, RDC ki kome umirunen loke ke wang matut. Lok ming man ni kapeke mi $1 million a dek. Chepeke be yabo dogba bomber ground pen security $1 million a dek. Aya kitung chel Kitgum municipal council. Kitgum municipal council bene kitung chel through town clerk gitia wai gen bene ge $1 million a dek ka $1 million a dek peke a tugo pa chuli province peke le kit logo tok chet en wow ke Kitgum kur logo tok chet woni wow ke Kitgum in RDC deputy beriek pian in deputy RDC in beri meetings again when all these meetings mano kitika frustrating lotiana chuli ye lokum actually team actually province tugu umirubiri Saturday Kitgum teka wunu frustrating tugu me Kitgum lit up chi wunu kuwa wabi exposing wun kaka weng inero wabi exposing wun seriously you will be exposed. Deputy RDC me Kitgum get me right. Peo frustrating youth. Pen youth komrechawa ne giti calm, giti discipline right now. So any situation matwero loko wibulu wan po miro. Pewa miro. Ka ubi lutele mati. La dit deputy RDC me Kitgum chak mweje chawane. Riyenjo ni me biru ket gi meeting. Chako gonyo te loko wa miro nene dog ba bomber ground ke yabo. Wek lutiano wa guchak biru ki hope ni tugo me Saturday ni obitime. Why do you want to frustrate the youth? Amira waj boruni ka utike plan mogo melwenyi kom biashara pachuli o dilu ka getika tugo ne kele a lot of privileges, a lot of opportunities. Ineno o dilu ka getika tugo ne gangu kaka moy ken wun mano. Are you doing the same in districts mukene? Kitung kuja kitika frustrating yub metugo. Keju wuti ati mene mere kany pi tamame chente. Ka umiru chente unu loki lu di Ramadan. Uloki General Charles Otema wany. Ma ubir machalu patron. Ubir machalu patron pa chuli province.